Hello everyone, thank you very much for being with us today. We have people from all around the world and it means a lot to us, to me and to the whole team that worked hard to make this day happen. So thank you very much for being with us today. And if you are all seated, let's start the show. And if I may, I will take a few minutes to tell you about the purpose of this day. So as you know, artificial intelligence is not only a technological breakthrough, it's a true revolution. And every century has witnessed its own revolution. We had steam engine, we had petroleum, electricity, and recently internet. And today, it's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is transforming our societies. It's changing companies. It's changing our lives. And this is happening today. The economic potential behind artificial intelligence is amazing. The economic value potential estimated by McKinsey is between 9 to 15 trillion US dollars. So it's more than what we can imagine. But operating AI on a real-world level of complexity is a major challenge for governments, for companies, and for individuals. How do you guarantee countries' sovereignty when computing power and the data is centralized by a few giants? How to regulate the use of AI to make sure it's used for the common good? How to deploy AI knowing its potential impact on unemployment? How to operate AI-driven infrastructures while keeping control over the machine? How to overcome the exponential complexity driven by the diffusion of AI, knowing the limited access to skilled resources? To date, the artificial intelligence research has developed around sophisticated algorithms and more computing power. And this approach has shown limitations when confronted to the real world. Why? Why is that? So unlike code, AI is not deterministic. 1 + 1 is not necessarily equal to 2. It might equal 1, 2, or 3, or even 4. So the more AI is spread across organizations, the more risks appear. And this situation is simply not sustainable. Can you imagine a bank like JP Morgan running AI to grant loans if the decision-making process is random? Organizations need simple and reliable IT systems. Can you imagine an IT department running 1,000 different models to address their 1,000 different use cases? Regulators need explainability. How do we make sure the decision to grant or not the loan is grounded? Our world needs efficiency. Incremental model complexity cannot always be patched by more and more computing power. Our planet calls for a new paradigm. Societies need ethics. Do we want populations brainwashed by the algorithm of a social platform? Black Mirror is fun, but definitely not desirable. All of these are not a matter of belief. It's a matter of responsibility. So following Stanford professor Andrew Ng calls for a new paradigm for AI, we at Kili believe that there is a new path toward AI. An AI understood by both ML engineers and subject matter experts. An AI better controlled and lighter to operate for IT departments. An AI more affordable and easier to diffuse across organizations for CEOs. An AI more sovereign for governments. An AI less power hungry for the planet, and finally, an AI more ethical for our societies. Artificial intelligence should not be developed, built from the model. It should be developed from the data rather than the model. At Keeley, we believe that data is the new code. Data centricity is not a matter of performance only. It's also a matter of operating and scaling a safer AI across our society. So while the Paris AI Week is gathering researchers, engineers, public decision makers to exchange on innovation around artificial intelligence, it seems essential to us to share this new vision to the European ecosystem. The goal of the Data-Centric AI Day is to provide academics, researchers, practitioners with the opportunity to share their ideas and experiences around data centricity practices. And many of these are in their infancy. So we hope to foster their development by bringing them into a coherent ensemble. You will listen to experts from Cornell, Carnegie Mellon, TU Berlin, University of Copenhagen, Facebook, Hugging Face, Cisco, and I'm sure I forget a lot of them. But enough with me talking. I give you the pass to our guest. Have fun and let the show begin. Thank you very much.